3 natural gas pipeline projects have been completed, partially completed, or have requested to enter service in 2020 that increase natural gas deliverability into New England. During days of peak demand in the winter, most of New England's capacity is fully utilized, which can lead to spikes in spot natural gas prices and, in turn, wholesale electricity prices. These projects, which add 136 million cubic feet per day of capacity, will allow additional natural gas supplies to serve this constrained market. Natural gas spot prices rose at most locations this report week. The Henry Hub spot price rose from $2.28 per million British thermal units last Wednesday to $2.70 yesterday. At the New York Mercantile Exchange, the December 2020 contract expired last Wednesday at $2.90. The January 2021 contract price decreased to $2.78, down 18 cents from last Wednesday to yesterday. The price of the 12-month strip averaging January 2021 through December 2021 futures contracts declined 8 cents to $2.77. The net withdrawals from working gas totaled 1 billion cubic feet for the week ending November 27. Working natural gas stocks totaled 3,939 BCF, which is 10% more than the year-ago level and 8% more than the 5-year average for this week. According to Baker Hughes, for the week ending Tuesday, November 24, the natural gas rig count increased by 1 to 77. The number of oil-directed rigs rose by 10 to 241. The total rig count increased by 10, and it now stands at 320. Prices rise at most locations in the lower 48 states. This report week, the Henry Hub spot price rose 42 cents from a low of $2.28 last Wednesday to $2.70 yesterday, amid cooler temperatures compared with the prior week. Temperatures were generally close to normal across most of the country, but warmer than normal on the eastern seaboard and in the Midwest. Supply is flat. The average total supply of natural gas remained the same as in the previous report week, averaging 95.8 billion cubic feet per day. Dry natural gas production decreased by 0.6% compared with the previous report week. Average net imports from Canada increased by 14.0% from last week, offsetting the production decline. Demand rises driven by heating demand in buildings. Total U.S. consumption of natural gas rose by 8.6% compared with the previous report week. Natural gas consumed for power generation climbed by 5.9% week over week. In the residential and commercial sectors, consumption increased by 17.0% amid colder overnight temperatures. Industrial sector consumption increased by 1.9% week over week. Natural gas exports to Mexico increased 4.1%. Natural gas deliveries to U.S. liquefied natural gas export facilities averaged 10.3 billion cubic feet per day, or 0.6 billion higher than last week.